Let's go ahead and install the CLI and let's try some of these commands. To install the CLI, you need to go to your terminal and type in npm install -g, where -g refers to the global installation, and I'm going to say at Angular /CLI and hit enter. Now you can see that we have a notice here which says npm notice new major version of npm available. So basically it's asking us to update the npm to the latest version. Let's go ahead and do that. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to type in npm install -g npm at 9.2.0. Let's try that. I'm going to type in npm install -g, then I'm going to type in npm at 9.2.0. okay, let's hit enter. Great, let's check in our npm version again. I'm going to type in npm-v, and our npm is now updated to 9.2.0. let's go ahead and check for ng version. So that is ng -- actually we can just type in ng version and hit enter. Then click on no, and you can see here the current version of Angular is 15 and the Node version is 18, and it's going to show you all the other packages versions over here. Now let's create our first project with Angular. For now, I will create the project on the desktop. So let's navigate to desktop here. So I'm typing cd desktop, and then to create the new project, we'll type in ng new, and we just need to type in the project name, that is Angular project, and hit enter. So it's asking like, would you like to add a routing option available for this? So I'm going to say yes, I do need routing. Hit enter again, and it's going to ask me to choose the CSS styling. I'm going to use the CSS styling. So you have like a lot of other stylings available like SCSS, SAS, and less, but I'm going to go with CSS. Select that and hit enter. Now that the Angular project is created, let's see how that looks in the VS Code. Let's go to our VS Code and go to File and Open Folder. And from here, I'm going to go to Desktop and choose our Angular project and click on Select Folder. You're going to get something like this, like Angular's language service extension is recommended for this repository. Do you want to install? Go ahead and click on Install. Once that installation is done, again, close this one, and you can also close the Get Started part here and go back to the folder. As you can see, we have a lot of folders and files over here. We'll go through each one of them one by one in the further classes. For now, let's see how our project looks in the browser. For that, let's go to Terminal and click on New Terminal. And from here, we're going to change this to Command Prompt, and I'm going to close the PowerShell here. And now we are directly inside the Angular project. And from here, we can type in ng space serve and hit enter. Once you get this compiled successfully message, you can see that our live server is listening on the localhost 4200. Let's go to our browser and type in localhost :4200 and hit enter. Great, we have successfully set up our project and we are running on a live server right now.